Hello everyone, welcome to Moving Violations. Running some wiring above a suspended ceiling, and I spotted this old temporary light, and you can see it's connected to the white 14.3 NM cable. Now I'm assuming this was installed for temporary lighting, probably for a construction job at some point, but it has clearly been here for a while. You can see all the dust on top of the lamp there and the lamp holder. So if this was temporary wiring, it needed to be removed immediately upon completion of the construction, or for whatever purpose this was installed, and that's according to 590.5D. But as you can see, here it is. I don't know if it's energized. I don't have a meter on me to check that, but in any case, this temporary wiring and this temporary lighting needs to be removed.